So the total running cost divided by the approximately 6,000 kilometers give us how much? So people ask me this all the time. Okay, but what does your Atto 3 really cost you? Or what does your BYD EV really cost you? Because everyone wants to talk about fuel savings. Full picture, and it's very difficult to talk about the full picture. If you look at our 6-month history on this specific car through GridCars, which is only one app, we're going to see the cost picking up of the last 6 months. As you know from the previous videos, I've charged from home quite a bit with its own problems, mostly through our solar panels, which is nicely on the roof. A glimpse of the roof as well with our springbok. You will see the long-term value of the installation if you do it. When we first got the BYD, this charger made EV ownership incredibly easy. It was quick top-ups, nice and chilled, and it was just easy to do our trips without worrying at all. So let's have a look how far we have driven so far. A nice whopping 6,053 kilometers. So today I'm going to try and count everything. We're going to see the cost picking up of the last 6 months. And unfortunately, also roughly 500 Rand of Eskom charging where I slipped up with the solar. Shucks, but wait a minute. We definitely also paid money for this installation. We paid 2,000 Rand for this, so definitely we have to also spread that across the kilometers as almost a fixed input. So if we include that now, it cost a bit more than the approximately 87 cents a kilometers. It cost about, well, over 1 Rand a kilometer. The great news, of course, about that, with the 2,000 Rand, this number will decrease all the time. You could probably have the same argument to include the cost of your car as well. And of course, that will also decrease as the kilometers go up all the time. So the question is, have EV been worthwhile for us? Is it cheaper? Or at least, is it cheaper than expected? Or is it going to cost us actually way more than a petrol car? Please hit the like and subscribe button. Please leave your comments as well and all your experiences, and I'll keep you posted as the kilometers go up and the costs go down.